To me, I see everything clear as now. 2-4 in the beast. I don't need it.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am Terry Shanta, and y'all, today I want to give you 4 tips on how to lose weight naturally, and also give you some understanding of how to stay consistent on a weight loss journey. So I've actually been on a weight loss journey for a while, at least 2-3 years. But y'all, it is amazing. I've actually lost 100 pounds since November of 2021. That's when I first started my weight loss journey. That's when I said, no, I'm not going to be a diabetic. I'm not going to have high cholesterol. I am not going to have high blood pressure or any of those things. So I would definitely link my video where I was basically speaking on that. And I think in that video I was at 80 pounds. But as of today, I'm at the 100-pound mark. So yay for me. I am so excited. Y'all, that is a great milestone to know that I was 100 pounds more than what I am now. I thank God he set my mind to where I want to be on this journey and do what I have to do to be healthy and stay alive as long as I want to for my family, or as long as his will allows me to. But I'm going to give you all 4 tips on what I've been doing to lose weight naturally and also keep it off. So the first thing that I've been doing is intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is definitely helps you to eat between a certain time. So I may mix it up sometimes, depending on my day and what I have to do. And also there are some days where you don't intermittent fast between, it may be 12 hours instead of your normal 8 to 10 hours. So when you intermittent fast, basically you're eating between a certain time window and you don't eat anything after that. After that window closes, you will only drink water, maybe have some tea, something like that. But you don't indulge in any food or snacks. So right now I'm intermittent fasting between 10 and 6 p.m., 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. And on some days I intermittent fast from 8 until 7 p.m. And those are my longer days when I have so much to do. So you can basically choose your window, but the smaller the window, the better the results. And that's what intermittent fasting is, just eating between that window. The second thing that I have is water. So guys, you have to drink water. If you don't drink water, your body cannot release the toxins, or your organs cannot work as great as they should if you don't drink enough water. I mean, water will sustain you from being hungry all the time. And it also keeps you hydrated. It keeps you healthy. So definitely drink your water. What I've done is right now I'm drinking half of what I weigh in ounces. So if you weigh 200 pounds, you should be drinking 100 ounces of water. And that's just to keep your body working the way it should. But you will stay in the restroom a lot, That's if your body does not retain water. I've heard some people say that their body retains water. So that may be a hormone issue that you may want to speak to your doctor about. And FYI, I am not a dietitian. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm not a doctor, physician, nurse, any of that. I'm just telling you all things that have worked for me and has kept this weight off of me for so long. So definitely drink water. Drink water. I don't drink water with my meals. I drink water an hour or 30 minutes before my meal, and I also wait 30 minutes to an hour after my meal before I have anything to drink. And if you drink alcohol, definitely limit that, because y'all, alcohol has tons of calories in it, tons of unwanted calories. But there may be alcohols that you can drink that do not contain all of those calories. And the third thing to do to lose weight naturally is pick foods that are more nutritious for you. So when you're beginning your diet, you may have right now you may be eating out so much. So if you're eating out 4 days a week, limit it to 2 days a week, and 2 days that first week, and then that next week just eat out one time that week. And after you've relieved yourself from all those fast food greases and just bad things that are in restaurant foods, start to do meal preps for yourself. Meal prep at home, it definitely saves you time, especially if you are busy or you have a family. Do meal preps so you can have something quick to grab and to go when you're hungry. Because what I've experienced is when you're hungry, you want to eat right then. So instead of you resulting to going to the store and going to Burger King or McDonald's, getting that quick cheeseburger meal, you'll already have meal preps available for you in your home. And I mean, there are things called like HelloFresh. I've seen them, Factor as well. You can order those meals and have them sent directly to your home to eat your meal preps. But what I do is I meal prep 3 different types of meal for 1 week for me and my husband. That basically gives us options, so we won't be eating the same thing every day. But if it was just for me, I could eat the same thing every day. He can't. So I make sure I have those options because I'm doing this journey for us, not just for me. So when you're going to the grocery store, go outside of the areas. Do not go inside the aisles. So stay on the outsides. If you stay on the outside, you'll be more inclined to get things like fruits, vegetables, your meats. You have your water on the outside of the market, eggs, things like that. Once you go in those aisles, inside those aisles are more likely processed foods. So try to stay away or limit yourself from eating so much processed meats and snack cakes, things like that. So I know that some people are addicted to eating sweets. Like they have to have something sweet every day because y'all, I was one of them. So I don't do that anymore. What I eat is fruits. I love pineapples. I love strawberries, blueberries. Find fruits that you love and that you can stick to. But like I said, I always have those fruits prepared for you. If you get pineapples, do not get the canned pineapples because they contain, like more sugars and stuff. Get you a fresh pineapple and cut it up yourself and store it in some Ziploc bags. I do that every week, and I actually weigh the fruit. So it depends. I do like 4 to 6 ounces in each Ziploc bag. I would definitely link my meal prep video so y'all can see some of the things that I'm eating. But the foods you eat, it's definitely how much you eat, y'all. How much you eat. Remember that, because if you're overeating, you're not gonna, regardless if you're eating healthy or not, you're not gonna lose weight like you want unless you're overeating raw vegetables, which contain hardly any calories, or you just eating fruit, vegetables and fruit. You can get away with overeating on that. But overeating on regular meals like chicken and salmon, things like that. If you eat mashed potatoes, you can overeat. So definitely portion your food out. You can definitely weigh it so you'll know that you're getting the right amount of calories for your meals. And that will help you stay on track, and you will know that you're not overeating in the meals. I try to keep my meals below 400 calories. So if you can do that, you will definitely lose weight. Y'all, I've helped my husband lose 17 pounds in 1 month. We stayed eating out. We would sneak out and, leave the kids at home and go get us some Raising Cane's, tell them we're at the grocery store or something like that. But, we did things like that. But, we are better now. So that's the third thing. So make sure you watch what you eat and eat low-calorie meals. Incorporate more vegetables and fruit. Stop eating candy. Don't drink Kool-Aid. And don't drink sodas. Oh, my God. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm outside. Somebody just pulled in. But yeah, so stick to fruits, vegetables, meats mainly. That will help you lose weight. So the last thing that I have, y'all, thing number 4, my 4th tip to lose weight naturally is y'all to incorporate exercise. Right now, today is Saturday. This is my 2nd day out, and me and my husband, we're gonna take us probably like a mile and a half walk. So we've already walked earlier today. This is our 2nd time today. So y'all, we are definitely motivated and we're dedicated to this journey. And we're gonna do everything we have to do to reach our goal. So you can exercise. If you don't know how to choose your exercises, you can definitely go to a gym and get you a fitness trainer. You can join like one-on-one personal training. They have group training, or you can just try to figure some stuff out for yourself. Start with some cardio and then start to incorporate weights, and that will help you get started at least. But you don't have to restrict yourself to the gym, y'all. It is so amazing to be outside. I love to work out outside versus working out in a gym. But yes, y'all, please let me know if you have any questions. As you hear, somebody's put up with loud music, so I'm gonna get off. I wish I could have went more into detail with this, but I thank you all so much for tuning in, and please give me some questions in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you are new. We welcome all of our fabulous people over here. I call all my subscribers fabulous family members. So come on and be a part and hit that subscribe button. You will not be disappointed. But thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I will see y'all in my next video.
To me, I see everything clear.